Now that you have the Notability app on your AT iPad, let's learn how to take notes in your classes. Notability will allow you to record your teacher's lectures, and you can handwrite or type your notes from class. Let's use an example from the Harry Potter series, where Hermione Granger is the eager student. She's always in the library reading for extra credit. She's always studying for her exams, so much so that she had to use a time turner to jump from class to class when she was taking too many courses. There was one class she really didn't like, and that was divination class. She would have used Notability in divination. Let's listen to a lecture from divination class and take notes. To start the notes, we go ahead and look at all of our different folders on the left-hand side and select the course that you're in. And on the right-hand side, where there's the pencil on the paper, we open that for a new blank note. We're going to use all the features while we're listening to this lecture to take notes.
Your aura is pulsing, dear. Are you in the beyond? I think you are.
Sure.
Look at the cup. Tell me what you see.
Oh, yeah. Well, Harry's got a sort of a wonky cross. That's trials and suffering. And that there could be the sun, and that's happiness. So, you're going to suffer, but you're going to be happy about it.
Give me the cup. Ah! My dear, you have the grim.
What's the grin?
So in this class, the students all learn about their futures. The grim is going to be very important, so we're going to use a highlighter to go ahead and highlight it to remember later that it's important. You can use this feature to type or handwrite your notes the way that I was doing it. You can erase things, cut and move it around the page. The microphone in the kind of top middle of the page, that allows you to actually record what's happening in the class. And then you can go back and listen to it. This is a very powerful feature. It should only be used in certain occasions. When the notes are done, you can send them out using the classic little arrow coming out of the paper symbol. On this, it's on the left-hand side, where you can send your notes to your Google Drive and then save them there if you need it, or send them anywhere else. If we go back to our organization here, we have one note in the divination class. We could even download more notes. Remember in the right-hand side when we started a note, the arrow on that one where the arrow is coming into the page is where you can select and you can import notes from somewhere that you had if you needed to organize everything here. This can be a very powerful tool, just like the time turner that Hermione used was very powerful. But remember, with Notability, you have the power.